Hey everyone, if you want the deets on the pre-poo for this wash and go, click the link above. But for now, let's get into this herbal hair growth spray. Welcome back to In Lena's Lane. I am talking herbal hair growth spray today. This spray has helped me save strands, thicken my crown area, grow my edges back, and moisturize my hair. To use, you just spray your hair 1 to 2 times per day, lightly to moisturize. Massage your scalp, add a little oil, and you're good to go. This spray is also perfect to pre-poo your hair and to detangle and style. It's super versatile and lightweight. If you suffer from postpartum shedding, excessive shedding, matted or tangled hair, you need this spray. Key ingredients are fenugreek, hibiscus, cloves, flax seeds, aloe vera water, rose hips, and more. This was a staple when growing my thinning hair back. To get yours, go to sbefresh.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.